Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and today I'm going to talk about how to develop a successful trading strategy. Anyone who knows anything about stock trading or day trading, you heard the term that trading strategy. A trading strategy is a simple concept. It's basically the roadmap that a trader follows while trading the market. A trading strategy is governed by a set of rules that do not deviate for anything other than the market action. If you arm yourself with a good trading strategy, it will provide you with a rated weapon against your worst enemy, your emotion. With a trading strategy, you will know exactly when to buy and when to sell, regardless what the market does or what your emotions are telling you. So let's talk about the trading strategy. Every profitable trader will tell you that the key to trading success is an effective, reliable trading strategy. You, as a trader, need to identify a winning system, implement it, and have a discipline to stick with it. Though it would be possible for you to develop a unit trading strategy, it probably wouldn't be that practical. The best and the most efficient approach would be to learn an existing strategy, one which has been used by other traders in the industry and which has already proven to be successful. Yet remember, whether the strategy you are using your own or someone else, it is critical that you have a truly understand of it, especially its entry and exit signal. Do not follow the untested trading advice, especially the free advice available in the numerous trading forum and chat room. Advice that you receive in these type of venues is likely to be an opinion rather than fact. In the market, opinions are not worth anything. What you need is a proven and effective trading strategy, one that works in many markets under any market condition. Because of need of solid strategy, more and more traders are looking for trading success through a technical analysis approach to the market. One of these methods is the price action. As you can see, these rules are clearly defined and don't leave much room for clarification. This is exactly what you want from a trading strategy. In trading, you need to make a big decision in a second. There's simply no time to rethink or try to interpret the unknown signal and information that come your way. Following a set of simple, easy to understand rules, you have a price action trading strategy that regulates all of your signal and indicator efficiently in the major key to trading success. Through the rule of trading, it's very important. They are not the most essential element of trading success. The most essential element is you. The best trading strategy in the world will be useless if you lose your head in the market and panic. You need to remain calm at all times, executing your trading strategy efficiently without hesitation. How to find a good trading strategy. So if you are convinced by that trading strategy are important, now how do you find one that works for you? Obviously, day trading strategy don't grow on the tree. You need to do some research and either develop a strategy by yourself or find one that's easy to understand and has been proven to be successful. Take your time and do your research. Your strategy an important step towards financial success, and it is more than worth the investment of your time and energy. That's why a Stock Navigator will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day on our live Q&A until you are successful. And we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support and follow along. Now let's take a look on the chart of ES today. As you see here, if you understand the price action, this is one of the day trading strategy we are teaching in Stock Navigator. As you can see that when the market sideways choppy, you don't have to do the trade, but when the market be able to break out the trend line, resistance, and then you can take in the trade. So when they hit to the top, they give you the sell signal. By looking at the price action, you'll be able to take the profit. And during the off market hour, you don't have to trade. Let's say like today, when the market get open, the price they put back right into the resistance. They couldn't go higher. They turn around, go lower. So based on the price action, you'll be able to short the market right away from here down to the bottom here, which is the support line here. You already draw a long time from this level down here. So you cover your short and you turn around and you go a long trade. You can see here yet a simple trading method by using the price action. You'll be able to gain 30 points on this long trade here. And then on the ES, that's the $50 per one contract, and then if 30 point again, that will be $1,500. Same thing here, if you short the market here, that's a 30 point again here, that's $1,750 per one contract. And then you turn around, you go long here, you make another 30 point here, that's $1,500 per one contract on the ES. So by using this simple price action method, that you'll be able to make the daily income, so that you don't have to stay on the trade for a long time. Within a day, you get in and you get out and you're done. So like today, I take a quick short trade, a long trade there. The total net profit is $10,631. So that you can see that with a very simple concept, and you'll be able to develop, and then we will show you exactly how to use this concept and trade and make money every day in our expert trader course. Okay, so you, if you would like to learn, and check out our website or look at the show more link below, and then we have a free webinar there for you. And now let's take a look on the market update. So right now, if you look at the overall market, it still try to push it up to the upside. As you can see here, the Nasdaq, it's choppy the last couple of days, but the overall trend is still bullish. So they go sideways. There's no sign of reversing down yet, so we will stick with the uptrend. Excuse me. So now if you look at the Russell 2000, we are still in the sideways market right now. So the market is went back and forward. So that's why you see a lot of small cap up there going nowhere. But this is a level of support. If they can hold back here, they will find a way to put it up again. And look at the Dow. The Dow is still bullish. Yesterday they put back down a little bit, but overnight they try to put it up again. And look at the crude oil. The crude oil is still sideways choppy here. They have a support here. They need to gain some momentum in order to put it back up. But if they drop below here, there will be more downside for the oil. So they have been strong, hold up at this level here. And look at the gold. Gold is still try to put it back up. They have some resistance here, so they need to punch to this level in order to continue to put it up to this level. Otherwise, they will have to pull back a little bit before they can find a way to move it back up. The Bitcoin is still sideways correction here after they hit to the first level of resistance, but the momentum is still hold tight to the upside. It's the same thing with the Ethereum also. Now let's take a look on the VIX. The VIX is still they put it up today. That's why you see the market they went down a little bit in the morning when the VIX turned around and shoot it back up, but they hit to the resistance and then the people slam it down again. So we want the VIX stay lower, because the VIX go higher, you see the market will be more volatile. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it still hang around here. So they bouncing back and forward here. So they hit the resistance, they pull back to the support. So they are still dancing around here. But if the 10-year Treasury note, they are going up, it can cause a problem for the technology. But as long as they stay in the low bound here, they can have the technology stock to move higher. And if you look at the let me see here, and a lot of stuff that we went to on the weekly market forecast You can see that the Dow Industrial Average, after they break out, so they pull back, they found a support again at the where they break out. So as long as they hold here, they will continue to find a way to put it up. A lot of stock that we look in here, all the transportation, they go here, they hit some resistance, they pull back, but they still hang tight to the upside. And a lot of stock they will look at, same thing, very similar, they push up and they pull back to the support, ODFL, Raider, Union Pacific, they all the same thing here. So they get to resistance, people took some profit, they pull back down, but the buyer step back in again. As long as if they can clear that area here, they can continue to put it to the upside. In terms of financial, the people took some profit after they run up here. So on Friday, people took some profits, so they continue with on Monday and Tuesday. So let's see if they can hold up at this level. Then hopefully they can find more momentum to put it upside again. A lot of stock we look in this sector that DSF, they are very similar. Okay, so you can see here that also when the sector coming down, most of the strong stock they also coming down also for the last 2 days. So let's see if they can hold up and find a way to put it up again. Elsewhere, okay, another stock, it's the same thing here. And the strongest sector that we can see is that the XLV, which is the healthcare and biotech, they're extremely strong with a Delta variant and COVID-19. They still continue to going up. So you can see that those stocks still rumble to the upside. So this is a strongest sector right now. And you can see that a lot of stock in this sector, they are moving very strong to the upside, especially for the vaccine. You see the Johnson Johnson that we mentioned for you last many weeks, MRK, okay, Moderna, Pfizer. So they stock are still in high demand right now, okay, and continue to rumble to the upside. In terms of technology, a lot of good stock like Apple, they still moving around here, but if they can hold here tomorrow, if they continue to go up, they will give you another bullish formation in order to move higher. Let me see here. So right now, a lot of stock they are going sideways, okay, and another sector is still strong, which is the utility XLU, okay. Let me see, XLU, this one here is still pretty strong also. And a lot of stock in this sector, IUI, this one here, they go up here, they hit some resistance, they pull back, but they hold up here again. HE, Hawaiian Electric, it still try to find a way to put it back up again. And NEE, this is another Net Era Energy. This one here, it try to continue to put it up to the upside. And a lot of stock they go sideways, choppy, especially a lot of small cap stock. They don't help you to make much money at for this time being, especially in the summertime here. But if you're interested to the dividend stock, a lot of stock they give you a lot more dividend compared to you put the money into the bank. So let me give you a couple of stocks that you can take a look, like SPG. Okay, so this one here, they give you 4.56%, and it's very nice. Okay, and then they are very strong stock too. And the next one is the JHG, which is another Janet Henderson Group. This one here is still very strong. This one they give you 3.6%. Okay, and then they continue to move high low to the upside. And one of the strong one, okay, they give you 9.3%. Okay, so this one here, it's a lot of yield here, a lot of dividend here. That if you are interested to hold a stock and get dividend like this one, they give you 9.3%. Okay, so those kind of stock, if you are interested to earning the dividend, then you should look into those stock also. for the long run. Okay, beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.